Good evening everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to fold a letter. So first is you're gonna have to use a A4 bond paper. I'm sorry guys, but this is a scratch paper because I don't have any A4 available, so I'm gonna use this, and also a envelope. This is also a used one because I didn't get a chance to buy, but I hope it's okay. So let's start. So first is you're gonna have to fold it half like that. No, it's not half like this. Do not yet fold it all the way because you have to make sure that no. You have to measure it and make sure that each side are aligned. And make sure that it has 1 to 2 inches here, and you're gonna adjust it again like that. And when you're sure na, you can fold it all the way like this and like that. So here, make sure that the side is aligned and 1 to 2 inches. So we're gonna put it in the envelope. So make sure that you're holding it like this and your thumb are in the lips of your letter. So like that, and you're going to put it and done. So here is your letter. Thank you.